I never had that. I lost my account in one instance and that was it. And I thought this is not for me and I quit trading. I didn't have a plan. So I would wake up at night and trade. I would wake up in the morning and trade. I would be on my charts during the day. It's not enough to have your trades going in the direction that you are anticipating. It's complete when you know when to take your profits. So, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Tamara's family, and my name is Martin. In case you're here for the first time, in today's video, as we started a journey of becoming a professional trader. That is, I'm becoming like that person you can look up to. You can say that I saw this guy walking the journey, starting trading forex. Yes, so we are documenting my journey to becoming a professional trader. Yes, I started trading forex. I started learning trading forex like more than 3 years ago. It's only that now I'm a bit intentional in creating videos around forex. And the reason why we decided we want to do forex is because it's part of me or us trying to become financially stable. And there's someone who asked me a question: why are you posting forex videos in your family channel? And it's simple. We noticed that we are struggling so much in creating content around inspirational stories, cooking, and vlogging and all that. You know, all that content requires some kind of resources, and we decided, let me also bring in the aspect of forex, because it's something that I have been doing. It's only that I have not been showing. I have not been creating videos around forex. Though I believe, like most people right now where we are, most people are looking for ways that they can make money online, because from the way things are, it's very important to have like different sources of income. So in today's video, I just wanted to like give you a few things regarding the difference between when I was starting trading, or when I started trading, or when I got introduced into trading, and now. What's the difference, and how am I going to approach it differently so that I become profitable? So when I was starting, there are a number of things that I didn't know that right now I know, and that's what I want us to look into. So stick with me and make sure that you subscribe. If you are forex, if you have ever had an interest in forex trading, make sure that you subscribe, because we are documenting this journey to make sure that we are learning, and also we are creating memories. Probably 5 years from now, we will say we started from here, and then yes, we are hoping to become professional. And then I told you that I'm not here to train you to trade forex to begin with, because I don't want to put myself in a situation where there's too much expectations. Okay, so I'm a beginner trader, so I'm just going to document everything that I'm doing because I want to inspire you, because I believe you can also become a forex trader. Okay, so what's the difference between now and then? Number one thing is, I didn't know how to manage my risk. I didn't know something called risk management. In forex, it's very critical, and I think it's a basic foundation to know how to manage risk, because when you are trading forex, the forex market is very volatile, and sometimes when you make wrong decisions, you can easily lose your money very easily. You can even blow your account. I remember the last time that I traded live account and lost it. I remember I lost some money that I wasn't supposed to lose. Why? Because I didn't know risk management. I had traded and I had not put stop loss to my trading account, and I remember it was during the time I was trading, there were news which were supposed to come up. So I never like had an idea or how to manage my risk. So I blew my account when we were having news. So I never knew how to manage my risk. But at least for now, I at least have an idea, or I know how to manage my risk. I know how to calculate my risk, because you need to risk at least 3% of your account. You're not supposed to risk more than 3% of your account. You want to be able, like, once you lose a trade, because losing trade is part of forex trading. Once you lose a trade, at least you have several chances of coming back to build your account. So I never had that. I lost my account in one instance, and that was it. And I thought, this is not for me, and I quit trading. So number two thing, I never had a trading plan. I would just wake up. I didn't know whether to trade the Asian session. I didn't know whether to trade London session, New York session, or whichever session. I never had that idea. So I was just trading anyhow. I didn't have a plan. So I would wake up at night and trade. I would wake up in the morning and trade. I would be on my chart during the day. So I was all over. I never had a plan. I didn't know what I was looking in the market. I was just looking for candlesticks, do openings, do what. I never had like I was so ignorant, and that's how I think I lost my account. So at least for now, I have a trading plan which I'll be showing you in my I have documented what I'm looking for, how I approach with the market, my way of trading, how I come up with trades, how I decide that I'm going to take a trade. I didn't have all that, but at least for now, I have everything in place, and I'm going to. What I told you is that we are going to open a. Not we are going to. I already have a small account, which is a demo account, because the beauty of it is that you can open a demo account and test your trading plan on demo, because you are trading using virtual money. You don't have to lose your money. So I told you the difference between a demo account and live account is psychology and also emotions. So if you can get the technical aspect right using a demo account, then when you go to a live account, then you can begin managing your emotions. So we are going to have a demo account. It's a demo account that is equivalent to the money that I will be comfortable to trade. I have a demo account that is $50 because I believe that's where I want to start, because I'm a small trader. So at least for now, I've done some bit of testing on my trading plan, which I will also take you through that journey, because I want to have like 1 month. In fact, we're supposed to have like 2 months of demo trading. You test your plan, you test whether you can grow a small account, a demo account, before you get into a live account. So at least for now, I have a trading plan. Number 3, I didn't know why the market was behaving the way it was behaving. You know, the market moves up and down. We normally have 3 scenarios in trading, in forex trading. Either the market is going up, either the market is going down, or it's in consolidation. Consolidation is where there's no definite direction of the market. So I didn't know how to judge if the market is going up or down or in consolidation. I didn't know when to how to behave when the market is going up, or when the market is going down, or when the market is in consolidation. I never had that idea. So I wouldn't want to like say that I've perfected that, but at least for now, I know what to do. Okay, I know what I'm looking for. I know if the market is going up, I want to buy, and at which point I want to buy, I already know. If the market is going down, I know I need to sell, and at which point I need to sell, I already know. When the market is in consolidation, I need to know whether to avoid trading at that particular point until I have a definite direction of the market, or maybe to trade a different way of trading, maybe scalping or that. So I already have an idea. I already know what I'm looking for. I already know how the market behaves. I told you in the previous video that market behaves in a very predictable manner. We normally say that the market lives cruise, as in, if for example, we normally have different time frames. Like there's a person who is comfortable taking long-term trades, which we call swing trades, maybe on monthly basis, and that's probably for banks and governments. But for retail traders, we normally use probably 1 day, 4 hours, going down all the way up to 5 minutes for those people who do scalping. Based on that, when I'm trading using maybe a 4-hour time frame, I'm able to go back like yesterday or maybe 1 week ago and look at how the market has been behaving in certain key level market structures. So based on that, I'm able to judge whether to buy or to sell. I didn't know that market behaves in a structured way, so I was just looking for when the market is going up, I'm buying, and then the market all of a sudden reverses. So the reason why I was losing my account day in day, I was bleeding my money into the forex market day in day out, is because I didn't know that you're not supposed to sell. You're not supposed to sell at support levels. I didn't know that you're not supposed to buy at resistance levels. You're supposed to wait for market to break resistance levels, and then you come back and retest. And if the retest is successful, or the support previously resistance holds that position, then you are able to buy, targeting the next resistance level. So I didn't know all that. So at least for now, I know I know how to do it right in terms of identifying support and resistance levels, so which will be going through the charts. I will be showing you how we do it, and so we want to grow from that level, and then we see how we become in terms of how profitable we become, and then yes, that would be amazing. So what else did I not know? I didn't know how to take profits. Sometimes I would trade and I would have like profits in my account. I would see probably I have like $10, $15, but I didn't have like a specific points to take my profits. So sometimes I would think that the market is now going, so I would wait probably for maybe my profits to go on and on and on and on. And unfortunately, markets is very important. It's not enough to have your trades going in the direction that you are anticipating. It's complete when you know when to take your profits. So I didn't know that sometimes I would have that trade go and then all of a sudden into negative, because I didn't know at this point you're supposed to exit market. So at least for now, I know, and I can't be ignorant now not to take my profits. I thought Forex would make me a fortune within a short time. Forex is not betting. Forex is not a quick fix. I was over expectant. I didn't know that Forex is like a business growing slowly. And on that note, this time round, I want to treat Forex as a business. I didn't know that you can't get rich quick through Forex. If that is what you're looking for in Forex, I think you are in the wrong place. What you need to do is you need to understand, or you need to view Forex as a business, the way you look at business normally. So at this point, at least know, and that's why I'm documenting. We are documenting this because we want to have like a history of our growth. Okay, we hope that we are going to have growth in this space. I never had a trading strategy. I never had either trading strategy. I didn't have like a trading. I never had a trading plan or strategy. Something else that I didn't know how to calculate risk. Like for example, if I said if the market went down to this level and this would be my stop loss, how much in terms of money is that? So that I'll be prepared. Am I comfortable losing maybe out of $50? Probably that is around 6,000 or something, or maybe something there. If my trade is taken out at the stop loss level, I didn't know in terms of money how much would I be comfortable to lose. If for example we take 6,000, which is 3% of 6,000 is how much? It's around 200 shillings. Okay, I didn't know. Is it 200 shillings? 3% of 6,000. I'm supposed to risk 200 shillings to make 600 shillings. Okay, at least it should be, the risk to reward ratio should be at least 1:3. If you are losing one, if in case you might lose one, if in the opposite direction you are supposed to make more than you would risk. You want to have a smaller risk as compared to the reward. So I didn't know in terms of calculating how much am I losing in terms of money and how much am I gaining in terms of money. So that is very critical, it's very important, because you want to know in advance how much am I putting to risk when it comes to executing this trade. So those are some of the things, and I think right now I'm not an emotional trader. I'm more informed. I know it. I'm looking at it from a point of business, and the reason why I keep repeating that Forex, I want to treat Forex as a business, is because I believe so many people are losing money even in business. So it's not that Forex trading, you losing money in Forex trading, you make it more like sensitive. Even business is sensitive. If you don't do it the right way, if you don't calculate your risk, if you don't manage your risks, so you expose your business and you probably get into a losing streak. So I think that's it for today. I was just comparing where am I as compared to where I was, so that now we get going, we get ready in terms of trading. We are going to trade a demo account, $50 demo account. We grow it and then we test our strategy. Then probably in the next video I will start showing you the charts, because I want us to like start doing something we call back testing. For example, I have chosen like 5 pairs. I don't want to have so many pairs in my catalog. I need to have like 5 pairs which I'm going to back test, because when you are, idea is when I was trading, I had so many pairs to trade, and I didn't know at which point to buy which and at which point to sell which. So I never had that what. I was not sensitive to know that sometimes when you buy this currency, you're not supposed to execute a sale in this currency because they have kind of correlation. So I never knew that. So right now we want to be intentional in making this work, and we are going to do back testing before we get into a live account. We are going to do back testing on 5 pairs. We go back in history. For example, we go back like 1 month. We come testing on the strategy that I have, which I'm going to show you in the next video. So yes, that is what I want us to do. I want us to go step by step, because at the end of the day, the most important thing I want us to do is to be profitable, to treat this as business. So thank you very much, and until we see you in the next videos, God bless you and bye bye.